Daniel Audio presents the Tchernov Reference AC power cord. Look at the fantastic fit and finish of the Tchernov Reference AC cord. Daniel Audio is so wonderfully impressed with the sound qualities of this Tchernov Reference AC power cord that we have rewired our entire reference system with this beautiful product. If you are a music lover, you owe it to yourself to find out just how much more music you can get out of your system by wiring it with the Tchernov Reference AC power cord. For more information, contact Daniel Audio today and find out how Canadian and American audiophiles can enjoy their music even more so with Tchernov Reference AC power cord.